In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up and restore your website in your Hostgator cPanel in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to secure your site's data or simply need to prepare for a major update, creating a backup is a crucial step. Let's dive right in and ensure your website is safely backed up and ready for restoration whenever needed. First, you'll need to head over to the Hostgator website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL, or simply searching Hostgator in your search engine and clicking the official link from there. Once the homepage loads, you'll want to focus your attention on the top right corner and click on the Sign In button. This is your entryway to accessing all of your account's features. If prompted, enter your login credentials. Make sure these are kept secure and aren't shared with anyone. Once you've successfully logged in, you're going to go to the Hostgator homepage. This area acts as your main dashboard, providing an overview of your sites and a gateway to the multitude of tools available to you. Next up, look for the website section. This is typically labeled straightforwardly to help you directly access settings for your hosted site. Click on it and this will bring you further into your specific site management area. From there, the next step is to click on Settings. This part of your dashboard is integral because it is where most of your advanced configurations are handled. Once in the settings, you'll see an Advanced option. Click on Advanced to reveal more detailed functionalities, some of which include dealing with backups. After you've reached the advanced settings, your next move will be to click on Manage. This will facilitate a deeper dive into the specific configurations for your hosting environment. It's like opening a toolbox to access tools crucial for maintaining your site's health and security. Within this section, you'll find an option for Backup. Select Backup, and here you will have the tools to manage and create backups of your entire site content. You'll typically have options to download a full backup or create one instantly. Choose the method best suited for your needs. It's wise to save your backups in a safe location off-site like a cloud storage service for optimal safety. Regularly backing up your site ensures you'll be able to restore it should anything unexpected occur. By following these intuitive and straightforward steps, you'll confidently back up and restore your website on Hostgator, securing all crucial data. Remember, regular backups not only give peace of mind, but also fortify the security of your online presence. I hope you find this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and happy managing.